It done deaded itself again. Alright, back with the Yaris again. It's dead again, it's off the road, it's sorned. The exact same problem as last year. Ta-da! Nice holy sill, and got more bits down here. So, yeah, it's going to be another welding video, probably. Everything else is kind of really bad on it. And I'm kind of at the point where it's like, I just give it another year and scrap it, or do I scrap it now? Right now, money wise, it says give it another year. I've got all the material, got all the welding stuff, so. But yeah, that ain't looking so hot under there. If you might remember, over that side got done. But yeah, how long is it until this bit here starts going there? Because once that bit starts going, that's an axle out job. And I'm kind of just lucky the fact that it's just this little bit here and not up the back of there. Because, yeah, screw that. Okay, let's cut this off anyways and see what's behind. What do you make of this then? Yeah. To be fair, like, the really weird thing is as well, funny thing is the outer sills on these are actually pretty damn good. Well, especially on this side, but the more and more I look in between the sills, the inner sill and the middle sill, just bang it up in here. Give it a second to focus. But yeah, what do you make of that? Looks rusty, yeah. Well, I can't really see, so you're going to have to tell me if it is or not. But I mean, the construction of these, it's kind of like everything else, it's got 3 sills in it. Yeah. Bit shite, but I mean, we've got good access to this bit now, and you can see the main bit where it links up to spot welds up in there. For this guy here, they're alright. So, probably just going to cut that out. And then just pull it all out. Let's get to work. But yeah, no idea how this gets so damp in here. That really, gonna have to figure that one out, because that's a bit of a mystery. We need to do an update. Let's go look see. Oh, bloody tarps flying about. Fuck. Alright, we have an inner sill. Very badly done. And what I can see very nicely is that bit of metal there. It's actually rusting through the primer. Nice. Had an absolute mare in the corner there. Kind of rhymes. Should have really went further with the rust patch, but oh look, another nightmare. It's welded on the inside there. I'll show you that. Oh, to point the camera at, yeah, like it is welded on the inside there. That was an absolute nightmare. Just kept going. I could still see light through there. Brilliant. Where else is absolute nightmare? Yeah, I didn't mean to, but I ended up with a bit of patch in here. It was just blowing through like hell. And then up in here, that was a bit fucking horrible as well. But this right here is absolutely solid. I'm just gonna like attach this middle section to the top of here. I'm not actually gonna bring like a lip down with it. I'll just bring a big lip when it comes to doing the actual outer skin. Yeah, just more to save material, because I am actually running out of material with it. Let's show you the inside of there. There you go. That's what that horrible mess looks like. There's some patches I've already done previously. They were nice and easy ones to do. Yep, that's the fuel tank. Yeah, just also kind of cleaned up everything else. Wow, this looks rubbish, doesn't it? Yeah, it's welded in. Just looks a bit pigeony down here, but yeah, not my best work, but give me the right circumstances where I'm not lying on my side and I get full movement, I've probably done a better job, but it's not even a bit of vibration in that. Yeah, no, I can't complain. Saying flushed it off kind of here as well, so when I come to put this outer bit on, it should look good. What do you think about the chrome welds? Yeah, they look alright. I kind of done chunkier welds in the, like, up here, and then thinner bits, just for like a quick so it was all in. I had to bash in these corners here just to get it to fit perfect, but yeah. So, what killed it? What killed the sill? This guy right here. There are my hands right in the way. That, my friend, is the sunroof drain, and it drains into the sill. That's what killed it. The sunroof drain did. Now, if you were to come underneath the car, on both sides, and actually there'll be a sunroof drain going to the rear somewhere as well. I'll have to figure out where that goes. In fact, I'll take all that panel off, but there's the pipe there for it. So that's going down there somewhere. Wonder where that goes to. I'll have a look. Either way, what you want to do is come here, take out those bungs, and let the water drain out, and then also, as you can see where it's been wet, those two bungs there, take them out, let the water run out, let it dry. Do this on a hot day or something like that, but yeah, no, I can guarantee if it's been raining, those will be filled up with water. We have a sill. This was a fucking nightmare. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so for some reason, unlike the other side where I could get away with just doing a sill, this just didn't seem to want to go on properly. Overheated it like mad along there, so that's nice and V'd in, but I don't really care. Oh, there's an owl. Yeah, I had to cut that bit, and then it was a big gap there, so I had to fill all that in. There's that corner up in there that was just a shit show. Yeah. Let's grind it all back, see what I actually welded, and then probably filler it. Yeah, it seems like a good idea. Alright, a few days later, as you can see, I still need to finish welding all this up, and then I'm gonna like cut it all flat. But today, I'm gonna focus on this bit here, and I don't want this bit to take forever, so I could try a little trick, a little camera magic. I'm just going like this, and then it should be finally finished. So, right, you ready? Let's try it. And there we go. Even seam sealed as well. Right, well this is this side done. Yes, it does look horrendous, but I have a plan. I have a big plan. So, true question is, can I jack off it now? Either dead battery or corroded terminal, so I'm gonna try jam this in. Starts right up. Yeah, can't beat this little car. Alright, here we have the last bit of rust. Honestly, doesn't look like a bit of rust, but it is. As you can see, there's the bolt for the subframe. I've already got a patch made up. I just need to clean all this up, because for some reason I kind of removed everything but didn't coat it in anything, so it's kind of rusty again. Yeah, don't help myself sometimes. Yeah, he ain't looking too good either. Alright, as you can see, car's back on the ground. It's all painted and seam sealed. Try to leave a little corner there, because the other side has like a little air gap. There we go, that's that side all stone chipped up as well. still wet. And then the inside, just sprayed the bits kind of cleaned up in there. Not even sure if I even recorded that, but it stinks of paint, so probably should just crack the window open a little bit. I'll get to them soon. That should be it. Just needs a good run and then MOT'd. So maybe give it a clean before then as well. Actually, it's getting very cold now, so that kind of limits how much I can actually wash stuff and everything like that. I don't want the ground to be freezing. Yeah. Alright, cool. I'm gonna leave it at that. Alright, so that seems to be my problem with exhaust. Once again, it snapped off the flanges. Yeah, so that's a classic certified hood classic. Right, take a look at this end. Yep. Get a good look at that. Oh, look at this end.